Assalamu alaikum dear brothers and sisters. This video is from a school in Muzaffar Nagar, India. In this video, a child is standing silently with tears rolling down his eyes, and what the Hindu teacher of the school has done will open your eyes. Keeping the Muslim boy standing aside, she first verbally abuses Muslims and then make other Hindu classmates of the boy slap him. The teacher was telling the Hindu children why you are slapping so gently and you can't slap them hard. This video proves how widespread violence against Muslims is in this country. Even small boys and girls are getting involved in this violence. The teacher who spread violence in the video called two other Hindu boys and told them to slap the Muslim boy on the cheek. The boy was hiccuping loudly in pain and crying loudly, but the heart of the hard-hearted woman was not softened at all. This video has sparked criticism across India on social media. The boy's father says his 7 years old son was beaten and humiliated for 2 hours. The boy was very scared in this incident. The boy's father says that it is not a matter of any Hindu Muslim. I want legal action to be taken in this matter. When the video went viral, the police filed a case on their own. May the Almighty Allah help the Muslims to be obedient and helpful to others. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, دعونا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. الله
بذكر الإله تطيب الحياة تسر أسارير وجه صبيح تسر أسارير وجه صبيح